In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Gmail message in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or you just need a quick refresher, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and master the art of composing and sending an email using Gmail. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Gmail inbox. This is where all your email interactions begin. For most of us, Gmail has become an essential tool for communication, whether for personal or professional use. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button. This is usually located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on it will open a new window where you'll craft your email. This is your canvas, where you'll bring your message to life. Now it's time to add your recipient's email address. In the To field, carefully type the email address of the person you're sending your message to. It's crucial to get this part right, as even a small typo could send your email on a detour to someone else's inbox. If you're sending this email to multiple people, you can add several addresses here separated by commas. After the recipient's address, you'll see a field labeled Subject. This is where you'll give your email a title. Think of the subject line as a headline. It should be clear and concise, providing a snapshot of what your email is about. A well-crafted subject can make the difference between your email being opened immediately or languishing unopened in the recipient's inbox. Now onto the main event, writing your message. Below the subject field, you'll find a large empty space waiting for your words. This is where you'll type out the body of your email. Whether it's a brief update, a detailed report, or just a friendly hello, make sure your message is clear and to the point. If you're reaching out to someone for the first time or responding to an important email, taking a moment to review your message before sending it can ensure your tone is appropriate and your spelling is correct. Once your email is ready to go, it's time for the final step, sending your message. You'll find the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. It's usually highlighted in a color that stands out, making it easy to spot. With a simple click on this button, your message will be on its way to your recipient. It's a good practice to wait for a few seconds after sending, as Gmail often provides a brief window to undo the send if you spot a last-minute mistake, and there you have it, a step-by-step guide to sending an email via Gmail, from opening your inbox and composing a new message to adding recipients, crafting a subject line, writing your message, and finally sending it off into the digital world. You're now equipped to communicate efficiently and effectively using Gmail. Remember, while email is a fantastic way to communicate, crafting messages with care and consideration can significantly impact how your communication is received. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use what you've learned here to stay in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Whether this was a new learning experience for you or simply a refresher, I hope you found it helpful. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.